Let's get this out of the way. If you drive a Toyota Prius, you are in the #1 targeted car for catalytic converter theft. We're talking 40% of all cat theft claims in America are Prius. Wild, right? The reason is chemical. Prius converters have way more precious metals, especially platinum and palladium, than almost any other common car. That means they fetch $500 to $2,000 just for that chunk of metal, and it takes thieves less than 2 minutes to cut it out. You'd think Toyota would have seen this coming, but the Prius's insane reliability sort of backfires here. Because people keep driving them for 200,000 plus miles, the converters retain all that tasty resale value. The pain comes fast and loud. You turn the key, and suddenly your quiet hybrid sounds like an industrial leaf blower. That's your first cue something went sideways under the car. It's embarrassing and pricey. Once it's gone, the replacement cost in the US is brutal. You're looking at $1,500 to $3,000, and that's if you can even find a converter in stock. Supply shortages mean even more wait time, and thieves know it. Some insurance companies in high theft areas, yes, Portland is one, have even flat out stopped covering Prius converter theft. If you've ever fought with insurance, you know that's a real fun way to waste an afternoon. Here's the step-by-step if you want to prevent this. First, park inside a garage if you can. I know not everyone has that luxury, but garages aren't just for storing Christmas decorations. They actually deter most thieves. Next, you can install a cat shield, a metal plate bolted right over the converter. Not going to lie, it's not a magic force field. Determined thieves can get through anything, but a $300 shield will slow them down and make most move along. Spray paint your converter with fluorescent orange or etch your VIN into the metal. Thieves hate work, and anything that makes the converter harder to resell or traceable knocks your car off their to-do list. Pro tip, some shops will do this for free with an oil change. If you're into DIY, cheap security cameras aimed at your driveway can help. Some people even rig motion-activated alarms under the car. The point isn't perfection, it's just raising the annoyance level. For the unlucky, if your catalytic converter is already gone, call a scrapyard before your mechanic. Some local yards have cat watch lists now, and they might help you track it down. Hey, 5% chance is still a chance. Honestly, the weirdest part is Prius cat theft doesn't seem to be slowing down. Until Toyota comes up with an indestructible converter, your best defense is making yourself a pain to steal from. I wish that sounded cooler, but it works. So, if you're a Prius owner, consider yourself on the elite team of least fun parts to replace in America. Luckily, with a little effort, you can drop your risk by 80% or more. Not bad for a few bolts and a spray can. Stay safe out there, and if you see a Prius in Portland parked on the street, maybe keep an eye on it.